BRE, la CM, ils promotent me für das BRE.
Nissan Z, and the car came in because the fuse kept heating up. That's the parking tail lamp. So this one is the one that was getting hot, and it also has different functions, but we found out what it was. So this had a kill switch that was connected to these wires here. This green and blue. Once they connect to each other, it turns into white and green. So it goes directly to the fuse that's getting hot. So this was a bad kill switch type of relay that someone installed on it. They left it connected to here, but the wires are really thin and cheap, and that's just not gonna happen with this type of wire. And maybe it had something to do with this type of relay. So we're just gonna undo the fog and fix the splice that they did, because they spliced it here and it had really poor contact as well for the whole fuse box. We're gonna get rid of this fuse box. We're gonna install a new fuse box. We have the new fuse box, all the fuses. So there you go. Swap the bad box. Now we're gonna connect the battery. Turn it on. Power to the circuits. So now we're gonna test if the circuit's getting hot, because this is the one that was getting hot.
Which one was it again?
The third one, it was a tail lamp and amp meter. So it had more than just one function. E-stack trace. So I guess they were using this for their kill switch, which wasn't really a good idea. But we removed that problem, and I don't find it getting hot at all. It was getting hot as soon as we turned the key, so we're just gonna test out that if all the lights and everything works now. They're just a little old, so you can't really tell if they're turning on. Right here, so it tells me to go this way, and then it stops like right here. You can take a little inside. Before it was it was getting ground even with the switch off, right? Like it was beeping even with the switch on. Now it's getting ground from the other side, but I gotta test it again. So once it gets hot, or maybe it could be one of at the light terminals. When something gets hot, it actually snaps. But since this has like a 6 amp fuse inside circuit, this one, all it does, it just gets hot and hot and hot. So what I'm gonna do is
Okay.
so you're gonna show that this is Pierre's Nissan Z Center in Gardena, and this is Pierre himself. So this is where they fix almost nowhere in the world they have a Nissan Z full repair shop. So they get everything here, parts, electrical, everything done. So we were having a problem with that fuse box, and we just found out where it's at. This is the problem right here. So we're gonna replace the switch, combination switch, and get rid of that problem. So we have this one, and we have this one. We're just gonna swap it, get it done, and
I got plenty of switches if you need.
this is the one that's supposed to go on the opposite, right under the white. See how they chopped it off? Because the combination switch didn't work no more. So it strained the parking one more. You know, to make it work too much. Okay, right here. Okay, good, they turn on. No. It used to get hot.
Oh, yeah, very quickly.
Yeah, and like
do a few.
it would get really hot really fast. Yeah, it was getting hot as soon as he connected. Definitely lasting longer than the first time where it would snap, because the circuit is gonna snap when it gets hot. And it hasn't gotten hot. It would snap on me maybe like 30 seconds after I quit. So right now it's not snapping. Yeah, I think this is a problem. They were welding it, but it got already so loose there was no connection good no more. And right now it hasn't popped. It was popping maybe 20 seconds after I put power to it.
And right now everything's good.
Right now it's not popping at all. It would have popped already. Okay, good. Alright, Pierre. Just gotta take it out, put the new one in. Okay? Just close it up. I don't know, we had tape all over this, but good type of wire for electrical. They're using music wire and kind of tacky. Connection. Set now. This bag. Microphone wire. Okay, there, we're done.